Morning everybody from the beautiful Domaine de Canet in Cassis. I hope you can't hear the lawnmower, that sounds really close, but the lighting was good so I had to film right now. Alright, we've got a little core workout, so let's come onto our back and let's just set an intention of quality over quantity. So quality movement if you need to reduce your level, if you need to pause, reset, please do so. And remember, sometimes less is more. I would rather that you absolutely nail your technique and do a lesser progression. Okay, so we're going to begin with our single leg stretch. So you already know this one. If you are a beginner, you might like to stay on your back and you're going to hug that knee in towards the chest and come into the toe tap. So it's an exhale to tap, inhale center, exhale, engage the belly and tap. So as our leg, if you're intermediate advanced, as your leg straightens or lowers, you want to feel your tummy sink before you extend the leg. And what that's going to do is it's just going to stop it from like blocking the movement at the same time. Okay, so either with your head down or you can come up and lift the chest as long as you can maintain your engagement. We're going for 10 of each. So it's pulling in and tap. Intermediate advance, you can straighten the legs, you can come into a chest lift. Belly down. So it's a nice stretch for the hips as well. Belly down. We've got 6 more. Relaxing your neck and shoulders into the mat if you are shoulders down. Otherwise, if you're up, last one. Now, intermediate advance, we're going into our straight leg stretch like so. Beginners, you can do the same, but with one leg bent and one leg straight. Can you see Spot, the black and white dog? He is the owner's dog. She is super cute. So beginners like so. Hey Spot, like so. Intermediate advance, pulling in. Gentle pull in. If you can't get to the end of your leg, you hold on to the back of your knee. Tummy down, then cross. Tummy down, then pull. Beginners with a toe tap. If you need to support your head, that's fine. Just make sure that your head feels heavy in your hands. Spot, I think you're blocking my view. Head heavy in the hands. 2 more. Last one. Into our crisscross. So you know, intermediate advance, you know which way you're going. Beginners, you can lift the knee and come back. Lift the knee, or you can stay centered. It's up to you. So center or all the way down. We're going for 10 of everything. Engage the belly first, then cross. So you should feel your tummy sink and then cross. Feel the tummy sink and then cross. Feel the tummy sink and cross. Tummy sink and cross. So you should feel this mid to low tummy. If you're a beginner, it's normal if you're feeling it mid to upper. You still want to focus on your engagement. 2 more. Last one. Bringing the knees flat down. Now we're going into a double leg stretch, but I'm going to show you the beginner way. And that is, you can just reach like so. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. So you're feeling like you're putting on those tight jeans. Your tummy is really scooping as you reach. Intermediate advance, you might like to go lower, or you can do the same in a curled up position. Okay, so it's exhale to reach, whether you're flat on the mat or curled up, and circling the arm. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. If you are quite advanced, you might like to straighten both legs out and come back in. Now, I don't even do this one because I find my tummy seems to want to bulge all the time. So if you are, you want to make sure that your tummy goes flat. Otherwise, coming back into this one, we've got 2 more. Inhale, return. Exhale, inhale. Last one. Inhale, and coming all the way down. So on our sides, actually no, let's do a roll up first. So for beginners, you've done the rocking like a ball with me. It's the same sort of thing, but hands underneath your knees. This is a beginner version, and you're going to pull the knees away and slowly curl up. Use your pulling on your legs to support you coming up into a seated position. Now, if you can balance, that's ideal. If you can't, you can put your feet or your toes on the floor, shoulders back, and then you're going to exhale to scoot through your tummy to slowly come down 1 vertebrae at a time. Okay, so that's the beginner version. No momentum. Inhale at the top, and then exhale all the way down. Intermediate advanced into your full roll up. So belly connected as you slowly scooping up, reaching forward. Inhale, tall. So beginners, you're going to go for 5 or 6 roll ups while we do our 5 roll up, reaching over the feet, rolling up. Exhale, scooping through the tummy, slowly melting down 1 vertebrae at a time. Exhale, picking up your blueberry, engaging through the tummy, reaching over the feet, scooping through the tummy still. Inhale up tall, and then slowly rolling all the way down, reaching overhead. Last one. Exhale, over the feet, scooping through the belly. Inhale up tall, and slowly coming all the way down. All right, now beginners, we're going on our sides for a side plank, and then you can finish when you finish those, and then our intermediate advanced we may continue. Okay, so beginners on your knees and on your elbow. Intermediate advanced, you can go on your feet. We're going to come up into our side lift. You can either hold here and just do some hip lift. So it's inhale down, exhale lift, or you can reach the arm like so, and then come in like this. Inhale, reach, exhale, inhale, reach, exhale, engage the tummy, come in, inhale. So we're working the bottom of our waistline, so down here. Inhale, reach, exhale, engage the tummy, lengthen through the neck and shoulders. Exhale. Good. Beginners, drop down. Intermediate advanced, we've got 3 more. Breathe out. Inhale. Breathing out. Last one. And holding here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dropping it down. Oof. All right. Okay, I've been filming since yesterday. My body can feel it. But I'm so glad that I have my Nerf 1 and 2, because I don't get as sore as I used to. When I used to try and film this many workouts, I couldn't get through it. And then I'd be sore for a whole week. But that's not the case anymore. Okay, that's what happens when you're reducing your cellular inflammation. So lifting up through the waist. Beginners, if you want to stay here and just do your hip lift, you can. Or you can reach with us. Inhale to reach. Exhale. Inhale, slow control reach. Exhale. Coming in as you dip the hips. Inhale, reach. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Exhale. Nice and slow and controlled. Relax through the neck and shoulders. Exhale. 2 more. Beginners, you can stop. and holding, holding here for 5 and 4, 3, 2, and relax. Awesome. So that does actually work the side of our butt as well. Okay, beginners, you are completed. Thank you for joining us. Intermediate, advanced. We're going for one more round of 10, 10, 10, 10 of all our different leg stretches. So if you want to keep your head and neck, shoulders on the floor, you can. Otherwise, come into the chest lift. If you need to support your neck, that's fine as well. You just use one arm. And we're going for our single leg stretch. So we've got 10 and then 10 straight legs, 10 crisscross, 10 double. Six more. Exhale before you cross. Last one. Okay, straight leg stretch, pulling on the leg, either behind the knee or behind the ankle. Watch my tummy, how I re-scoop, re-scoop, re-scoop. Nice stretch for the back of the legs. Belly down, lifting up a little higher if you can, or you can do this with your back on the floor. Last one, crisscross. Exhale, cross. Belly down, cross. Belly down, cross. Now we're going to add a little variation in a second. Belly down, cross, holding here. Come in and reach. Coming in, exhale. 2 more. Belly down, cross. Inhale. Belly down. 2 to go. Last one. And relax. Awesome sauce. Okay, stretching it out. All right. We're just going to finish off with some around the worlds and then we're complete. Nice short one. Okay, so grab a pencil or a shoe, just something small, light that's close by. Let me move my microphone. Alrighties. So reaching the arms in front, you probably know this one by now by heart. Squeeze your butt, lifting up your belly away from the mat, lengthening the back of the neck, shoulders away from the ears. So we're engaging our lats, the muscles underneath our armpits that pull down to support our back, lifting, passing your little thingy around the back, and then reaching forwards. So I inhale for half the movement, exhale, lift and squeeze my upper back as I pass. Inhale, exhale, lengthen the back of the neck. Inhale, exhale, squeeze through my upper back as I circle back. Inhale, exhale. Now for the we're going to swap directions and we're going to lift the legs. If you can, you don't have to lift the legs. Got 2 more. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. Lengthen the back of the neck. And relax. Very good. Okay, sit back on the heels. Let's stretch up through the back. Ooh, okay. Pop this back on. Hope you've enjoyed this lush view. I first came here 4 years ago. So I'm excited that I manifested coming back. And then slowly coming up. And this is where I plan on holding member retreat. Cat cow. Okay, last one, pressing the shoulder blades up away from the floor. scooping through the belly, and then coming back. And that is our tummy workout complete from our beautiful location. Ciao for now.